Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by choosing a clear profile photo and a concise bio that explains what you do, and include one link to your website or landing page. Use a short username under 15 characters so people can find you easily. Enable two-factor authentication, add a verified email and phone number to recover your account, and review privacy settings. Decide whether to set your account to public for discoverability or protected if you want controlled access. Save your settings and bookmark the profile for quick access. Create a simple posting rhythm. Post 1 to 3 times per day and schedule posts during 30-minute peak engagement windows to increase visibility. Write captions that stay under 280 characters when possible, and add 2 to 5 relevant hashtags to broaden reach. Mix content formats, short text posts, 1 image posts, and include at least one 30 to 60-second video per week to boost algorithm preference. Use a content calendar and batch create posts for consistency and less daily stress. Prioritize engagement. Respond to comments within 24 hours and spend 2 15-minute engagement sessions daily liking and replying to relevant posts. Block or mute accounts that harass you and report clear policy violations to keep your community safe. Use in-app analytics to track follower growth, impressions, and top-performing posts weekly, and adjust content based on top topics and times. Experiment with one paid boost to test reach, and maintain consistent branding across posts for long-term growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.